Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi. In this channel, I am going to post all beginner friendly tutorials. You can easily try them, that too using your mobile phone without any paid applications. So, today, as you all know that Mother's Day is coming up next month, so I thought of creating a beautiful Mother's Day gift card for my mother. So, let's get started. Open the Canva application on your mobile. Since it is going to be a gift card, I want its background to be in a papered structure so that it would look more beautiful. So, as shown in the video, add a papered structure background for the gift card. Here, I'm adding some beautiful flowers to my gift card as shown in the video. As I said, mine is going to be in the shades of pink, so I'm adding the lotus flowers in the shade of pink and white. After adding all my flowers, it's time to group them together. Click on any flower, you can find select multiple option, group them together. After that, once they are grouped together, you can duplicate as many as borders you want. As shown in the video, I will be adding at the top, and one will be at the top and one will be at the bottom of the gift card. Now, after finishing our borders, it's time to add some text messages and some photos. Since it is a Mother's Day gift card, I'm adding a sticker which says Happy Mother's Day. After adding my sticker, I will be adding a photo. Here you can add any photo of your choice, or simply you can choose it from the photo section of the Canva. So once we are done with arranging our photos, it's time to add a little message for our cute mothers. So here you can copy the message if you want to. I'll be mentioning it in the description box, or else you can write any message of your choice. Once you are done choosing your font, it's time to add some cute little hearts to our gift card. So you can choose any elements, or you can search any elements. Here I'm searching a pink heart. And you have to arrange them as shown in the video. You have to arrange it one by one as shown in the video. It's time to add the final element to our gift card. That is, here I'm adding a bubble to the photo which we have chosen. Its transparency level to around 30-40. So once you are done with all the elements and once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to save our design. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you find the tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up.